I've been doing a bit more. Got the exhaust and the head put on. Cleaned the exhaust up because it was, 30 years of dirt and grime. Same with the head. Engine looks pretty nice now. There's another little aluminium heatsink. Cleaned that up nice. That sits on there like so. And then tightens up with just a grub screw that clamps on. I'm going to tattle the chassis now. You see dirt, grime. What I'll do is I'll just take these 4 bolts out. We'll do it now. That will give me the rear axle. I'll strip all this down. I get it cleaned. This bit here, quite cool. It sits in this horseshoe clamp, which acts as the brake when the servo pulls on it. So I'll get the rest of this stripped down, and then we'll clean up the chassis. Right, that's it, torn down into its little pieces. So I have to figure out how to get these off. It's like a captivated nut. Tried loosening it with my hands, but they're tight, as with all the bolts on here. I only snapped one, which was one of the steering pins. I have to source a replacement for that. So I'll just clean all these pieces up, make them look the best I can, and then we'll come back. Right, so clean these up, sanded them off, and then went over it with some 800. Tidied this one up. It was cut out like that. An idiot. So filed it off. So I'll do the same with this one. I'll get it in the vise now, and then hopefully they'll match up. Right, I'll come back to you once I've done that. So that's all cleaned up. Come up quite nice. The holes are pretty much bang on. So that's the chassis done. I'll start tackling, cleaning up these plastic bits. Gotta see if I can split this rear axle. So I'm going to struggle with that, but when I do it, I'll let you know how. Right, this is where we've got to today. The chassis done. The rear axle's done. I didn't split it in the end. Didn't need to. Plus I didn't want to fuck it up. The plate, the heatsink, front axle. We did the engine today. That came up really well. Transmitter. I stuck a charge in it, and it works. Not so much luck with the receiver. The battery pack didn't really do anything, so I think the battery pack on that is knackered. Next time we'll continue with the plastics. There's only a couple of little bits and bobs left. Then we'll strip down that, get the radio gear working, and that'll do for today. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.